Have you ever wondered how your favorite video games are made? Today we're going to unravel that mystery and dive into the fascinating world of coding. You see, coding forms the backbone of every video game that you love and play. It's like a secret language that only computers understand. Imagine coding as a magical book of spells. Each spell or line of code tells the computer to perform a specific task. When these spells are strung together in a certain order, they create a world filled with vibrant characters, intricate levels, and awe-inspiring special effects. That's right, the epic boss battles, the thrilling car chases, even the peaceful landscapes, all are brought to life by this secret language. By learning to write these spells or code, you can turn your wildest imaginations into a playable reality. You can create your own video games. Now, isn't that interesting? But how exactly does this coding magic work? Imagine building a house, but instead of bricks and cement, you use lines of code. The world of game development is much like this. It starts with designing characters. Developers create a blueprint, defining how characters look, move, and interact. This is all done through code. Each action, from a simple jump to a complex combat move, is a line of code telling the character what to do. Next, we move on to creating the game world or levels. Developers sculpt mountains, build cities, or design alien landscapes, all with code. They define the boundaries, the obstacles, and the hidden treasures that make the game exciting and challenging. Finally, they add special effects. These are the magical touches that make the game world feel alive. The twinkling stars in the night sky, the flickering flames of a dragon's breath, or the shimmering force field of a spaceship. All are created with code. So that's how a game comes to life, but how can you learn this magic? You might think learning to code is hard, but it's actually quite fun. Let's step into the world of coding, where we craft our own realities. Imagine a playground where instead of swings and slides we have coding platforms like Scratch and Code.org. These platforms transform complex coding languages into simple drag-and-drop coding blocks. Think of them as digital Lego pieces that you can fit together to create anything you want. You might ask, how does this relate to making games? Well, each coding block is like a command. You can use them to design characters, create levels, or even add special effects. Want your character to jump? There's a block for that. Need a villain for your game? There's a block for that too. Coding is like learning a new language, but instead of words and sentences, we use blocks and commands. Coding might seem like a secret language, but with these tools, anyone can become a game developer. Now that you know how games are made, imagine what you could create. The world of game development is a vast playground waiting for your ideas. As we delve deeper into the digital age, the demand for unique and engaging content is constantly growing. And with the skills of coding, you're not just a player in this game, you're a creator. Imagine designing your own characters, creating immersive worlds, and even adding the special effects that bring everything to life. This is the power of coding. But the magic doesn't stop at game development. Your coding skills can be the key to solving real-world problems, from making our lives more convenient with innovative apps to contributing to scientific research. This is the magic of coding. It's a tool that transforms your imagination into reality, a language that helps you communicate with machines, and a skill that opens up endless possibilities. The magic of coding is in your hands. What will you create?